my beautiful girls. So today is solo date slash Saturday vlog. I love Saturday, so that's why I'm really happy. So I have a nail appointment at 1 o'clock, so I'm about to do a cute little face, cover up a few little blemishes, and get on the road. So I just wanted to preface this vlog before I started actually getting into it. And y'all see, girl, I'm missing so many nails. Okay, girl, it's been time for a new set. And like, I had just put white over it in my last set, but we was like, girl, it's time for a new acrylic set. So today we got to start all the way back over. I get a fresh pedicure. I get a whole new set. So I'm really excited about that. So I'm gonna do a cute little 1-2 on the face because it's 12:42 and my appointment is at 1 o'clock. And I've been getting to my last few nail appointments kind of late, and I didn't want that to happen today. So anyway, girl, let's get into it. Okay, girl, so I decided just to do a little talk through while I'm doing this cute little 1-2. So, girl, how have y'all been? I think it's been a while since I've done a vlog, but how have y'all been? All right, last week I was in Atlanta for the Ari Lennox concert, and it was literally everything and more. I kind of vlogged, but not really. I was having such a good time that I just put my camera down and just danced and sang the night away. But I'm gonna try to do a little TikTok of the clips that I did get because I was pretty close to the stage. And y'all, Ari Lennox is literally one of my favorite singers, and that girl, the mic was on the whole night. Not only can Ari sing, her background singers can sing their ass off. So it was just a really good time. You know what I'm saying? Like, it was just a really good time. And if she was coming back somewhere closer to me, I would go again. Like, that's how good this girl is. And it was just so good to be surrounded by like that many different type of black girls, and we're all in there just singing our heart out to a girl who gets us. Like, Ari music, I feel like she gets me, you know what I'm saying? So really excited to have been there and experienced her live on stage, and I would do it again and again and again. She was absolutely amazing. So that was last weekend. So this weekend is pretty chill. I just want to, you know, revamp, get myself together. Work has been pretty good. This week, work was working, baby. Listen, I feel like I always work, but baby, this past week with getting like our certifications and stuff together, baby, I was in that office working, honey. So I'm really happy that it's the weekend. I kind of slept in today, and that felt so good just to sleep in and chill. So it's good. So I turned my work brain off, and honey, it is now time. It is now time to chill, you know? So I'm happy about today. I feel like I needed a solo date. And I feel like solo dates are really important because you got to show yourself love. And I used to like stay in the house on the weekends. I don't want to go anywhere, especially like after last year with my car accident. Kind of scared to drive, but I'm not going to allow that to stop me. You know what I'm saying? And keep me inside the house constantly. No. That's just not happening. I started making sure that I schedule my nail appointment on Saturday so that I can get out and just spend that time with myself. And usually when I'm in the shop, like, I'm cool with my nail tech, so me and her be talking. But sometimes, girl, I'll just tell her, like, friend, I'm about to throw on this podcast. And I'll listen to me a podcast and go to sleep a little bit, get a little nodding in a chair. But today I'm pretty sure me and her are going to be chit-chatting it up. But yeah. So after my nails, we're gonna go to see Creed 3. Y'all, my little sister is like, I'm a huge fan of the Bad Boys franchise. My little sister is a huge fan of the Creed franchise, so much so that this girl went back and watched all the Rocky movies. Like, she is a fan, okay? And she was born, my sister is a 90s baby as well. She's like 2 years younger than me. Girl, why would you go back and watch all the Rocky movies? But my sister is that invested into the Creed franchise. The movie hadn't been out one night. My little sister went and saw it, not last night. I think she saw it Thursday night. I said, Jess, you didn't get a movie time to be out. Like, you didn't get a movie time to be out. But I'm pretty sure she enjoyed it. She's a huge fan. And like I said, and it's like, not even because it's Michael B. Jordan and Jonathan Majors. Like, she is a fan of the franchise. So, yeah, but to be honest, girl, I had went and watched Creed 1 and 2 again, like, not last night, but the night before that, just to remind myself of it. But I'm excited to see Jonathan Majors, because, baby, that's a grown man. Honey, that's a grown man. He fine. And that's just that on that. That man is fine. And I'm ready to see him. That's the real reason I'm going. But yeah.
Right now, polish 10 toes down. Yeah. Look back at it, shawty, don't look down. Tattoo peeking through the see-through. Yeah. Body clear color, I see you. I see you. Used to be in love, now your life up Cupid. Can't just be a Rex, know that nigga feel stupid. Coming through the gram, trying to figure out where you've been. All I need to know is that you're outside. Watching real time, when you're too live. Easily adjust to your new life. Since you let loose, you too tight. Tight. No place to run on defense. Don't need a man, got your own defense. No kid, money, these grown events. Had a week a month, they sleeping. Pussy so good, gotta sleep in. Watch your back and knees in. Bring them in. I never get enough, never get enough. I never get enough, never get enough. Way too many fall in your direction. Choices like testing, just selected. Yeah, it's too slow and I'm tryna grab that. If you get too close, tell that nigga back. He been calling your phone, we don't call back. Let him know it's his fault and he need to fall back. You should be in love, now your life up Cupid. Hate to be a Rex, know that nigga feel stupid. Coming through the ground, tryna figure out.
Let me try to fix my little edges.
Easily adjust to your new life. Since you let loose, you're too tight, tight. Now you can't get along.
What y'all think? Cute. Okay, let's go. So as y'all can see, my shirt is much longer than my shorts. I don't want to rock it like that. I do like the oversized shirt look, but I'm not gonna do it like that. I think I'm gonna tie it up in the back. Okay. As y'all can see, I don't mind wearing my legs out. It's hot. But the shirt is cute. I'm gonna put my little bag on. This is the whole look. Pretty cute. Let's get on the road.
I'ma call you on the phone. Get you off alone. All you need to know is you're outside. Bring it back for me one time. I never get enough, never get enough. 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 Just be in love with it. I say come with it. Hey, your best on it. Grown baby, you young nigga.
She just let me know, but it sure no fit. It ain't safe round here, but she still gonna hold on. It ain't safe round here, but she doesn't run from life. Lust, guns, drugs, violence. Lust, guns, drugs, violence. Ooh, won't let you go. Won't let you go.
you guys, so this is my favorite part of my little solo date, self-care days. I love going to give me some flowers every 2 weeks, and baby Kroger was stocked up today. It was so many beautiful flowers. I was very indecisive, if you guys are about to see in a second. Like, I could not choose, okay? I wanted to leave with like 2 or 3 bouquets, but I only decided to go with one. So the first one that I picked up was this very pretty pink one. It drew me first. I thought it was very beautiful, but when I looked at it close, I didn't like it. Then I saw these orange roses, and orange is not a color that I ever lean to. I mean, like clothes, nail polish, anything. I never leaned toward this color, but these flowers were so beautiful that I had to pick them up, right? And then I kept seeing all these other beautiful flowers. I almost bought a new plant for my house, but I told myself I was going to wait until the actual first day of spring to buy new plants. But wasn't these so beautiful? I mean, look at all these beautiful colors. But I picked up this bouquet here, and we have now made it back home. So I'm going to get these in some water. So the last time that we were here, girl, we were discussing my celibacy journey. And y'all know I like to be honest with you guys, so I need to give y'all an update. I am no longer celibate, okay? Like, I uploaded that video, and girl, a few days later, it was done data. But, all right, I'm not ashamed of that. I'm still proud of myself for, going a full year without being sexually intimate. And, it's a journey. Life's a journey. You know what I'm saying? Again, not ashamed, but still had to come and be honest with y'all about that. And, that's life. I didn't feel like bad about it or anything. I mean, it was a good time, so there's that. But again, I still have some growth to do. But at that point, I said, you know what? The healing is done. There's some other things that need to happen. I'm tired of healing. Let's have some fun. So there was that. But anyway, girl, I'm gonna let y'all keep vibing out, but I had to be honest and tell my girls the truth. I made it a year, girl. I might start back. Like I might start back over. I might. But if I do, I'll let y'all know. I won't let y'all know until I've gone a long time too. You know what I'm saying? Just in case,
Seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul.
All right, you guys, so we are ending the vlog here at the movie. I did go see Creed 3. It was absolutely amazing. Looking at Jonathan on that screen was worth every dollar. I kind of want to fight Ryan for a certain part of this movie, but I won't ruin that for y'all. Please go see this movie. It was so good. And if you like this type of vlog and content, please like the video. Please subscribe. Please comment down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.